Hello everyone, welcome to Gosia at Home Cooking. Today, my beautiful daughter-in-law Kelly will make delicious Christmas chocolate pretzel cracker, and let's get started.
There we go. And then she's laying out the parchment paper onto the cookie sheets. And then you get the saltine crackers and you lay down. And the parchment paper is important because when we have the toffee over the top of it, it will stick. And if you don't have something underneath it, you might lose some toffee when you bring it up later. So you want everything to be together on the parchment paper. At the end, you normally don't have enough space for a full row of crackers, and that's fine because they can just overlap. Alright, so this recipe takes 2 sticks of butter. You're going to need to boil that with 1 cup of brown sugar. Butter and the brown sugar is starting to boil. We're going to want to boil it for 5 minutes before we take it over to our saltine crackers and pour it over the top of them. This is a good homemade toffee recipe. And this won't be boiling so long that it actually gets hard in this pan.
Actually, I would say it's a caramel.
It's like a weird cross between a homemade toffee and a homemade caramel because it doesn't, you know, the homemade toffee, it gets like that cracker crisp. And with this, it doesn't stay soft like a caramel, but because we put it in the freezer.
Because we use the butter. And how long are we gonna cook this? For 5 minutes, yes?
We still have about another 2 minutes left.
Oh, we see lots of bubbles. Beautiful. Wow, smells so great. Yummy, yummy.
I'm gonna stir so nothing gets burned. All is incorporated. Let's take this over.
What are we doing right now?
And we are pouring the mixture on top of the crackers. Spread it out.
Very gently.
You're right.
What are we doing next?
So now we're going to put it in the oven. Spread it as far as you can across the crackers. Place it in the oven.
For how long?
For 5 minutes.
Bye-bye. Looks delicious.
And then,
Okay, what are we doing right now?
so now we take the chocolate chips. Just need to move it on. So now we take the chocolate chips and we put them all around. You want to get them all over. Really spread them out. Make sure you get the edges. This is 2 cups of chocolate chips, and we're just going to pour them over the top and stick this right back in the oven for another minute.
It smells so chocolatey.
Now we are going to spread chocolate chips. Now if this doesn't look perfect, it's okay because this will all be broken up into small pieces at the end. And now, while the chocolate is still melted, we take our pretzel. And if you love chocolate and pretzels, you'll love this recipe. Or love chocolate covered pretzels. Or if you know someone that loves sweet and savory, this is part of the salt from the pretzels. Tastes so good with the chocolate. And you can make this as sweet as you want. If you like things really sweet, you can use milk chocolate. Squish, squish.
What's the next step?
Then we stick it in the freezer.
For how long?
Till it gets hard. Tomek and I made this. He had the idea. You know, he's a kuhash, just like his mom. All right, and after you take this out of the freezer, you're ready to break it apart. I like to use a pizza cutter because it makes the lines a lot cleaner, but you can break this with your hands.
You want me to?
All right, or are we doing it?
Yeah.
Okay, this is take 2. So when you're using the pizza cutter and that doesn't work, you can always give it to your fiance and he can cut it for you.
Wow.
Oh.
Wow. Look at it. Show us. Oh my God, looks beautiful. Oh, everybody wants to try it. Let me try one. Looks like this. Yum, 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 yum. Wow. Looks like it's better when you break in your hands, yes?
Yeah.
That was something. Don't be shy. Explain everything what you're doing right now.
Breaking it apart with my hands now.
Oh.
Breaking it.
Give me one more, please. Mm-hmm.
When you're eating a piece while you're breaking it.
That's right.
It's called Christmas crack because it's addicting.
That's what everybody wants to try. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this recipe, please comment, like and share. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified about my new recipe. I have so many delicious recipes on my channel. Be sure to check them out. See you soon on my next episode. Bye bye. Dziękuję bardzo. Smacznego.